Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and here I'm gonna show you how to listen to 432 Hz music both in Linux and in Windows. Let's jump right in. Now for the some of you who don't know what 432 Hz music is, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than glad to make another video explaining this topic separately. For some of you who haven't watched the other video where I explained some music listening guides on Linux, I would highly recommend you to watch the video first. I'm gonna leave it in the description below, and also I'll try to add a card to this video if I can, if I'm able to do so. Uh, before, yeah, I recommend you watching it before watching this video because I'm going to deal with an application that I previously talked during that video. So let's start first with Linux because by far it delivers the best result when it comes to music conversion in real time to 432 Hz. And this time I'm not recording on my virtual machine, so I'm actually on my computer that is running Pop OS. And again, we're gonna change some adjustments or settings inside Easy Effects. That is a marvelous application. Its developers are doing like really great job. So the only thing I have done here, I still have my preset loaded. I just in output and effects, I just have added an effect that's called pitch. And here we're just gonna make this adjustment right here in the same tones. Leave everything untouched. You don't need to deal with anything else. And basically that's it. So then let's test it out so that I can show to you if it works or not. In my case here, working perfectly. So let's listen to a song first in 432, and then I'm gonna convert it back or set it back to 100 to 440 just to show to you people. See, as I click outside of the box, it comes back to the 440. I'm gonna insert it right back, click outside the box, and voila, it's back to 432 Hz. And basically, that's it. Not much of a big deal. So for the next part of the video, let's see how it works on Windows. So we are here on Windows, and here the tool that is gonna enable us to listen to 432 Hz music is called Fullbar 2000. That is a music player. I'm gonna leave the download link in the description below, and I have to advise you that regardless of which architecture you have in your system, download the 32-bit version because the component that we have to install on Fullbar is not gonna work on the 64-bit version, at least according to my experience. That is the caveat, one of the few caveats that you're gonna see here with Fullbar. So the component I was talking about is called SoundTouch, and as well, I'm gonna leave the download link in the description below. So the next step we should do is to copy and paste this same component in the installation folder of Fullbar 2000. So for that, I have to go to the local disk folder and access and go through this component folder right here and paste it. Basically, we're all set. After this procedure, let's go now to Fullbar and then enable that component here. For that, you have to click in Library, the Configure option, and then in the drop-down menu on the left, you have to select the option DSP Manager. And here you have to select this option, this icon right here with the SoundTouch, so you can enable it. The only thing now that's left is to configure the SoundTouch. And as we did back there with Linux, we just have to drag this the selector right here to minus 32 semitones. And let's see how it works. Let's gonna apply and then try it out with the song. Now without the pitch adjustment, see? So it's working perfectly. So as you may have realized, the cons when it comes to listening to or using this method here on Windows as opposed to Linux is that it only works with local files. So you need actually to have that song file on your PC in order to be able to listen to it in 132 hertz, as opposed to Linux where you can like basically convert everything in real time, everything that's coming to your PC and it's coming out of your speaker um, to 132 hertz. So I would just recommend it. Would just recommend you doing it on Windows as opposed to Linux, only if your sound cards or your CPU is not really doesn't deliver that much of power, because this is like a lightweight option, but because it only converts the file, let's call it like it only converts from the source of the file. It doesn't convert every kind of input. So that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now you have all the tools that you need to listen to 432 hertz music, both on Windows and Linux, whichever you prefer. And if anything didn't work out well for you, please leave something in the comment section, and I'll be happy to assist you as soon as I can. Once again, it was such a pleasure for me recording this video and showing these tips for you people. Thank you so much for watching it again,